Yeah, hello everyone. So today we are going to extend our further knowledge on Informatica Cloud Data Quality. So this is Sujit Patel, and again I am back with some additional items on Cloud Data Quality. So let's try to understand today's agenda, and from there we can start. Ramesh, Kumar, Visayan, Ramesh, Kumar, SNG, Ramesh. We have created enough test record. So let's try to see which record will match or not. Here we have cluster ID and cluster size. That is fine. And here one thing we have to see in consolidation, we have to make sure that we have select the default option, that is no consolidation. So till now we are using this option only, no consolidation. It's just we are testing the matching records, right? So if you are testing a matching record, make sure that this mode is no consolidation. Okay. So that is fine. By default, it will be no consolidation. So until you don't want to make a master record, don't select others. Okay. So for testing this matching strategy, we are selecting here fast and less specific for this. And here we have given enough test records. Then let's start. Now we can save it. And we can go to definitions. So we have to, sorry, I need to open it again. All the things are same, right? Test record also fine. Now to run the test, we need to select this runtime environment. So this runtime environment is active. Select it. Even you can check it if you want from here. We go home. Data quality, if you go home page, then you can see that. So make sure that the secure agent is up and running. And this is also showing up and running here in the console in your application services. So this secure agent is up and running, right? Then we are ready to start testing. Now let's come to test. So we have selected this as a strategy. We can see person name, associate, personless, and these are the test records we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7, we want that in this option, what we are getting. If we will get some master, then we will try to match and merge some record. In this case, we can see this 4 record we are getting is similar. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So one thing we can observe here, this 2 word is completely matching Ramesh Kumar. Okay, here also Ramesh and C is completely matching. And if we come here, Ramesh Kumar is completely matching, and SNG, these three keyword is there. Okay, so that's why it's selected for record as a matching record. Not this, is basically they are taken this one. Ramesh and C is completely matching, and KMR is there. Okay. So if you want to match more records, then we can take a sample records and we can do that. So let me delete few records, but this will create a confusion. Let's take 3 records from this. 4 record from this, and this all record, let's take something else. Like Kevin 10, Kevin 10, this is Kevin T, this is Kevin 10, this is only Kevin. Okay. So now we have selected 2 set of record we have created. Now let's try to that. Because now we'll try to do merging also. So we want to understand how the merging will impact now. So here we can see these 2 recording merging. And out of these 4 records, we can these 3 having the same 2 having the same cluster ID Kevin 10 and Kevin 10. Okay. These 2 are having more differences. So that is fine. At least we have 2 sets of records, and see these and these 2 are matching. So it is expecting these Kevin and this Kevin is the different record, but only the first word is matching. So it is having 2 sets of match within the Kevin. Okay, 3, 3 and 4, 4. Okay, that's fine. So whatever strategy we selected, as per that we can get this result. Okay, now let's try to do the merging. So for merging, we can select some options. So in no consolidation, we know that there will not be any consolidation done. Now in the row based, if we are taking, so here you can see whatever matching record we have, all is available. So within this cluster, we have 2 records matching, which value is this. That we can see from this consolidation page also. For this cluster, we have only single record. For this cluster, we have 2 records. And for this cluster also, we have 2 records, right? So the good thing is that cluster wise, here we can see the record. Until now, we cannot see the preferred record because we have not executed this consolidation kind of strategy. That's why we are not able to see this preferred record. Like out of these 2, which one should be selected for the master record or preferred record, right? So till now we have not got. So now let's select this row based, and in row based, since we have the 3 options, so let's start with most data. Okay,